Hey, I'm Hannah, and I just built a microsite that teaches you how to use Genially using Genially. Let's get into it. This is the microsite. Genially for L&D in 10 minutes, a quick tour for the skeptical but curious. That's exactly who this is for, and to get a feel for the learning you can create and see what Genially can do. There are 5 tabs across the top, and we'll briefly take a peek at each. Under Awareness, you see what makes Genially different with an image hover. Then instead of just telling you what Genially can do, this section lets you actually interact to learn more about it. Click this Interactive Elements button and you'll see what options there are in Genially. For example, click on Window and you'll see an example of a window. Scroll down and you hit Game Mechanics to play with already built in, but you can also build your own, and these are just a few examples. Genially has a decision points feature, and each option goes to a different page, plays an effect, plays audio, whatever makes sense for the path. And then there's the AI builder. You describe what you need, and the AI creates the component in real time. What I like about this AI feature is that it's built into Genially, meaning it already knows to add functions such as actions to do when scenario is complete, or being able to add effects Genially offers. Then with the Try It section, you'll simulate building. This tab walks you through adding interactivity to a real Genially element step by step inside the microsite itself. We start with a basic company timeline. Click the plus on a milestone, hit interactivity, choose open window, pick your template, and now that dot on the timeline opens a window with content when someone clicks it. It's quick and easy to try, and as you progress through this section, you will see more ways to build in Genially using some classic examples. Under the Sell It tab, you'll check out a brainstorm board and think of what could you actually build and show stakeholders a real prototype. Then hit the common FAQs and push back and click for the response. And yes, this FAQ widget was built with Genially AI. Start Now links directly to Genially's free account sign up, and if you want help getting your team up and running, a brainstorm session, build support, whatever you need, that's what I'm here for. Link in the description, email on screen. The link to the full microsite is in the description. Go through it yourself, try the interactions, use the FAQ responses in your next meeting. If this was useful, subscribe to see more Genially builds and tutorials.